Okay, students, today's topic is functions of community health nurse. Functions, it means what she has to do after the going in the community health postings or after the working as a community health nurse, which is working on the PSC sites at the CHC sites or might be on the another government's hospital. That is considered as a community health nurse, which is completely based on the community and public health educators. So some of the functions she has to follow after achieving some qualities of the community health nurse. Today we will see about the some functions which she has to follow after enrolling into community health nurse. The first function is a care provider. She has to provide the care directly to the sick people also, directly to the unsick people also. It means she has to provide the care on the prevention care step also, and she has to care provide on the promoting of health also. It means according to the continuum of the health, she has to provide the care from the fair to the better to the optimum level of the health, and from the first stage to second health stage up to the rehabilitation care, she has to provide the care. That is considered as a directly care provider. The first function is a direct care provider to the sick people and to the healthy individuals both. The second one is a health educator. Health education is considered as in she has to provide the health related education for prevention of illness, diseases, and the promotion of the health by unique of the options like maintenance of the nutrition level, vaccinations, routine checkup, antenatal, postnatal, intranatal care, and the breastfeeding techniques, education supported to environmental sanitations, educations about the hand washing, social distancing. So this is about the topic she has to provide the care as a health educator, which promote the individual's family and the all the communities promotion of the health. This is so we can achieve the health for the all objective after the health education to the all the community members. The third one is a counselor. The counselor considers he has to provide lots of idea to the community people, to the individual, to the family. So for the problem solving, she will going to help them, the families or the particular persons for relieving their problems. That is considered as counselors. Counseling, she has to counseling problem solving ideas to the that particular clients or the patients or the families or the communities. The fourth one is a resourceful. She has to know the resources which help to deliver the regular health systems, considering primary level of care, tertiary level of care, and the secondary level of care. She has to know the which three types of the care which is available in our community, so she can able to guide the community's people or the every individuals the resources which he or she or the family members can take help at the time of the any emergencies or the time of the any health problem. So resources considered essence, he has to know the primary, secondary, and tertiary level of the resources which is available in our community. The fourth one is after fourth one, sensitive observer. The sensitive observations consideration, she has to observe each and every point clearly. She has to observe housing area, environmental area, nutrition, health status area, age area, sexuality problems. So she has to observe each and every points of the particular communities or the members, which we can society also. So she has to be observe every points from the bottom to the height. That is also sensitive observers. Firstly, she has to observe, then she has to take the steps. So she has to be clear observers for relieving any problems. Next to that, concerns advisor. Concern advisor's consideration, she has to advise the any immediate treatments at the time of the going to the postings or at the time of working as a community health nurse. She has to be quickly advise us in the any situations like considering of the any emergency situations, trauma conditions, heart attack conditions, hemorrhage conditions. So this is considered as an emergency condition where she has to be give the direct treatments with the good advisement for that particular victims. Next one is a planner. Planner considers she has to be plan every points by step. This consideration nursing process also. She has to be planned from considering the according to patient's need and according to patient conditions. She has to take the steps, and the plan should be a implements overall also. So consideration shall be the plan considerations the according to patient's need and the patient's conditions or family conditions. So it can be a good evaluator also. Next one is a manager. Manager consideration is she has to be good managers from the professional life also and for her personal life also. She has to do her behavior, skills, and all the qualities she has to develop. With that, she has to manage herself or the his self for the management of her health, also for the himself. She or he has to manage their personal life also. For the family base, they have to manage about their personal life and the professional both the way. Or the job area also she has to manage, and the other home area also she has to manage. That is considering both the ways. She has to be good manager for maintaining of the professional and personal social life. Next one is a medical assistant. Medical assistant consideration, she has to follow the each and every order of doctors in the primary care centers or in the CSC centers or the sub centers. All of the centers, she has to follow each and every steps according to timing, according to rights of the patients. She has to manage orders according to time. So if she has to manage the orders, if the timely, then can it relieve the patient's problem easily. With that, if she manage the medical assistant's work, he can able to help the doctors also for improving the health patient's health. With that, she has to follow the each and every rights of the patients also, and she has to give the knowledge or guides to the family or the patients about the other procedures also. That is considered medical assistant, which help the medical staffs to improvement in the patient's conditions. Last one is a leader. Leader consideration, she has to be good leader. Consideration, she has to be give the opposition to the other juniors, opposite to the other staff, and binding to the other staffs. So they have to be developed by themselves also. She has to be developed herself also. So considered a leader. She has to be a good leader, good quality speaker, or the distribution of the work. The main work of the leader is the distribution of work. She has to be good distribution for the work participation. So everyone can be a participation. Everyone could be a good work personal. So considered as a leader. Leader capacity she has to be developed in herself for managing another staff also. So this is a functions of the community health nurse, which after going with the postings or after going the work as a community health nurse, she has to follow this type of the functions with the all the community, with the individual also, or with the family members, or the with the group of people also. So vast subject she has to be follow at the time of going in the maintaining of the health functions. Thank you, everyone.